Today we'll replace the tail light and your tailgate on your second generation Hyundai Santa Fe, and we'll do this step by step. This is Caswell's Kappa. Now let's get to it. So the one we're replacing today is going to be this one right here, not this one, but this one here. To get to it, open up your tailgate, come under it, you'll see this panel right here. We'll need to get behind that. Got to remove this panel. There's a groove here and here for a flathead. Just put it in and pry it out. Our light bulb's right here. From here, twist the connector left, lefty-loosey, pull it out. See where your bulb here, same thing, lefty-loosey, pull it out. Grab your new bulb, hold it with a rag or something. You don't want oil for hot spots. Put it in, twist it right, righty-tighty, put it in the slot, line up the grooves, righty-tighty, till it clicks. Let's put on our panel. When putting your panel on, it does go on a specific way. There's one side, kind of looks like hangers or sliders, and the next are the actual clips or what grabs onto the panel. You're going to take the hangers, put them toward the front side, slide them over, and then you'll just push the rest of it in until it's flush. And that's it. Test it out and make sure everything works. Thank y'all so much for checking out the video. I hope that it helped y'all out. Be sure to check out the channel for more procedures on this specific vehicle. And I will see y'all in the next one. Until then.